Welcome. Today we're diving into a simple yet powerful feature of Google Drive, starring your documents. This handy tool allows you to easily access your most important files, without the hassle of searching through everything. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Whether you're using a smartphone or tablet, the interface is user-friendly and straightforward. Once you're in the app, you'll see all your files and folders listed. Next, find the document you want to star. Scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. Once you've found your document, look for the three dots next to it. This icon represents more options and is essential for our next step. Now click on the three dots. This will open a menu with several options related to that document. Among these options, you'll see Add to Starred. Click on this option. You'll notice a small star icon appears next to your document, indicating that it has been successfully starred. Congratulations! You've just starred a document in Google Drive. But how do you access it later? It's easy. Simply return to the main screen of Google Drive and look for the Starred section on the left-hand side menu. Here, all your starred documents will be neatly organized, allowing you to find them at a glance. Starring documents is particularly useful for keeping track of files you frequently use, or those that are currently in progress. It helps streamline your workflow by minimizing the time spent searching for important files. If at any point you decide that a document no longer needs to be starred, simply repeat the process. Click on the three dots next to the starred document and select Remove from Starred. The star will disappear and it will no longer appear in your starred section. In summary, starring documents in Google Drive is a fantastic way to enhance your productivity and organization. By following these simple steps, opening Google Drive, finding your document, clicking on the three dots, and adding it to Starred, you can ensure that your most important files are always just a click away. Happy organizing!